Okay, so quick idea here on factoring is when you there's a few different ways of factoring, but the first one they teach you, it's the easiest way, but we tend to forget it because we just overlook it. Is you look at your polynomial or whatever you may have, and you say, how do I factor it? Well, I have two terms, and the easiest type of factoring is just to say, what do they both have in common? So you'll see this one is a y squared plus a cubed times y. So therefore, what do they have? What do they both have in common? Well, I can factor out an a. Can't factor out any a squared or a cubed because this one only has a to the first. This one has a cubed. So what do they both have in common? A to the first. Now, what else can I factor out? Well, this one has y squared. This one has a y, so I can pull a y out. So therefore, what am I left with? Well, out of the first term, I pulled out an a and a y, which would leave me with a y, plus my second term, I only pulled out one a, so I'm left with a squared. And you do the quick 2 second check. If I take this stuff, multiply it back in, do I get back what I started with? Well, a times y would give me a y squared, perfect. And then a times y times a squared would give me a cubed y, perfect. All right, so yeah, we got the right thing. So now, if this was a problem where it was, for example, set equal to 0, then we'd be able to take this thing, set it equal to 0, and say, all right, we have a times y equals 0, and we have y plus a squared equals 0. So there's the idea. So now, um, other ways that we can kind of hide it and make it look more complicated than it really is maybe have something like this. X minus 4 to the third times y plus 3 squared minus x minus 4 to the fifth times y plus 3 to the third. Actually, oh, that doesn't matter. So then, again, you're looking at your two terms and saying, what do they both have in common? Well, they both have x minus 4s. This one only has, the one on the left has 3, the one on the right has 5, so therefore I can only take out 3. Now, on the left-hand side, we have y plus 3 squared. On the right-hand side, we have y plus 3 cubed, so the best I can do is take out two of them. Now, what does that leave me with on the inside? Well, notice we factored out everything. This is one thing students goof up. It has to be a 1. We have to have a 1 there, because remember, when we do the 1 second check, when we distribute this back in, it's got to give me back what I started with. Alright, so then on the other side, it would leave me with x minus 4 squared times y plus 3. And there you go. So now we're factored. So now on the inside here, so you can take x minus 4 cubed set equal to 0, if this thing were equal to 0, if we're trying to find maxes or mins of derivatives or whatever. So then I can take y plus 3 squared equals 0. And then here, now, yes, it's still not pretty. Yes, we still need to maybe FOIL or distribute or do whatever you like to call it. But the trick here is now it's a lot less to distribute. It's a lot more simple. Okay, hope that helps.